Hello guys, how are you all? I am Rakesh, welcoming to our channel Coding Jam. So today I'm back again with a new and fresh video of Coding Jam. So friends, in this video I have a quiz for you. Okay, let me tell you one thing that मतलब मैं हर वीडियो में बोलता हूँ how are you all, पर कोई आंसर ही नहीं देता यार. कैसे हो, हालचाल क्या है, कमेंट बॉक्स में डाल दिया करो, ठीक है. So friends, in this video I have a quiz for you. Like I have promised you earlier that in our channel you will find C programming, and in our tutorial you will find complete video, like complete course in Hindi with note and source code, and you will also find quizzes, assignments, projects also. Okay, so till now our course is going smoothly, and I am also providing you notes and source code in the description of each and every video. And yes, we have also done our first assignment, and here we go with our first quiz. Okay, so and about the project, after completing the syllabus a little bit more, I will also go for the projects. Okay, I'll provide you some fantastic projects. So in this video I will talk about the quiz. Like I will give you some question, you have to give the answer. Okay, but before that, if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do subscribe it and press the bell icon. And if you like our video, then give a thumbs up. Okay, so let's start our video. So here you can see a Google form. So basically you have to write your name here. You have to write your name, then you have to give a designation, like you are a student or faculty member or research scholar, or you belong to other category. Okay, so here you have to write your institutes or organization name. Like if you are a student, then you can write your name of the institute, or if you are working professional, then you can write the name of your organization. Okay, so here you go with your first question. Before that, let me tell you one thing. In this quiz I have 15 questions for you, and I have completed covered till operator. Okay, so in our next quiz video we will continue from operator. Okay, operator means after operator I have if else statement. So I will prepare quiz on if else statement in the next video. Okay, so here is the first question. In which year C language was developed? Okay, you have to mark these answers. Then which software is not supported for C programming? So here are the options: XAMPP, Dev C, C++, Eclipse, NetBeans. You have to give your answer here. Then main is a dash. Main is the exit point of the program, or variable of the program, or operator, or entry point of the program. The next question is a word having a fixed meaning is called dash. So what is this answer? Data types, or operator, or variable, or keywords. You have to mark the answer here. Then /n is used for dash, tab, backspace, new program, new line. Actually I have already told all these things in my video. If you have watched my video properly, then you will not get any difficulty, you will not face any difficulty while completing this quiz. But still, for somehow, if you are finding any difficulty while completing this quiz, then you can go to this blog. Okay, this blog's link you can find in the description of the video. So in this blog I have written all the questions with answer. Okay, just let me show you one thing. Here are the questions you can see, and here from here you can see here is the answer section, and okay, here I will not show you the answer. Below the answer section you can find the answer of these questions. Okay, so let me continue with that. The next question is double. Double is a dash. Double is a data type, or variable, or identifier, or parameter. Then which operator returns byte? Size of operator, relational operator, logical operator, or that are all arithmetic operator. Among this operator, which operator returns byte? You have to give the answer. Then which is also known as a temporary operator? Here are the options: assignment, conditional, arithmetic, and logical operator. So equals to is a part of arithmetic operator, or assignment operator, or relational operator, or logical operator. Then find out operator in A is greater than 10 and double and less than equal to 50. So here are the option: arithmetic and assignment, arithmetic and relational and logical and bitwise operator. So the type value here a half is missing. Okay, the type of value stored in a variable, it is known as what? Keywords, or data types, or arrays, or specifier. Then find the output of the following program. Actually the program is written in a single line. So let me tell you the program. Hashtag include str.s. Here is the first line. Then int main. Then we start our curly braces. Then we declare a variable int a equals to 20. The value of a is 20. Here is the semicolon. Then curly braces ended. Then what will be the output of this program? Okay, you have to write this. The output will be 20 or a, or it will show a error or none of the above. Okay, you have to give your answer. Then which of the following special character called in a variable name? Sorry, here means again I have done a mistake. So which of the following special character is allowed? It should not be called, it should be is allowed. Okay, actually I have written all these things in a hurry, so that's why I have done some mistake. Please avoid that. So which of the following special character is allowed in a variable name? Asterisk or hyphen or pipeline or underscore. You have to give your answer. Then how many keywords available in C language? So 30, 20, 23, none of this. Okay, you have to mark this answer from here. Then our last question is the void is a dash, void is a function or keyword or operator or special member. So after writing all these things, you have to press the submit button. Okay, no, don't go anywhere, don't go anywhere. Wait, I have one more thing. So let me tell you one thing. To give answer of this question, there is two way. Okay, you can either write in the comment box and you can also fill this Google form. Okay, so those who will write in the comment box, they will get a shout out from Coding Chan, and those who will fill this form will go fill this Google form and give the answer. That means in the next quiz video I will show their name and the mark they have secured. Okay, so go ahead and complete this quiz and submit your answer. Okay friends, so friends, if you like our video, then give a thumbs up, make that white icon into a blue thumbs up. So and don't forget to share this video, share as much as you can. Okay, so friends, this is all for today. Let's see you in our next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, love you all, Jai Hind.